Hello friends, welcome to Enchanted Spiritual Tarot. Today we will see channeled messages from your person right this very second. Quickly, we will see all the signs first. So I am getting Aquarius, Taurus, Cancer energies prominent in our reading today. So it can be Sun, Moon, Rising or Venus. Now let's quickly see what your person has to say to you. Let's start. As you all can see that I have already pulled out 4 cards. Okay, so let's start now. You are my healing star. You are someone who is out of my league. I see you as a brightening star. You are far away as star is far away from us in the sky, so I can feel the same distance between us. But you are radiating this healing light to me, which is helping me to work on myself and heal myself, to come out from this energy of gossip, from societal conditions, from limiting beliefs which were holding me back, to come forward with an offer to you. I really want to work to build this connection, to take this connection forward from the current level. I really want to commit to you. I really see you as my divine counterpart. I want to marry you. In the past, I was bound to some roles and responsibilities towards my job or my responsibilities towards my family, but that was just an excuse which was keeping me blinded to come forward with her offer to take this connection to the next level of commitment. But now I have realized the true worth and value of this connection. I can feel your energy, which is healing me, which has surrounded me to help me grow spiritually and emotionally. I want to bridge this distance between us and want to come with a tangible offer with pure intentions of committing to you, to take this connection to the next level of commitment. I see you as my soulmate because you help me to break down all my emotional unhealed childhood traumas. You help me to see things from a different light, to see beyond all the limiting beliefs which I was binding myself in the past, which has kept us away from each other. But my love, I'm breaking down all these walls. I'm ready to put my guards down and move from where I was in the past and want to come towards you with my offer of love. Will you accept it? So that's it for today, friends. So let me know in the comment section below if this reading has resonated with you all or not. I love to hear from you all. Also, I love to have you subscribe to my channel. Please like, share the video if you like the reading. So I will see you in my next video. Bye bye friends, take care.